Lots of people. How are you doing? How are you? You're right, yeah? Come on, it's okay. How are you doing? Oh, mwah. Mwah. Let me turn this right there. That's my boy, by the way. That's my Alex. It's the mini stag man. How are you doing, beauty? All you right, babe? Jump on the side. Look at that. Go on, ladies. So where are you from? Tell everyone where you're from.
I'm from Devon.
North London!
Devon and North London. What a connection, mate. What are we talking? Definitely do. You having a good one, though, ladies, yeah?
She's fallen over.
Yeah.
You fallen over?
Before
that's a bit
alcohol.
nasty. Wow. You've got to be careful.
See?
So, I mean,
I was
drink abuse.
teetotal this morning.
That was at Miller's Beach Bar yesterday.
I bet it was and all. You did have a good day, I tell you, you did. Love it.
I want to see Jade.
Oh, bless you. Yeah, you'll see her. She's inside. Look at that. Look. You will see her, mate. No worries at all, mate. All right, she's there. How we doing, ladies? Look at these. Woo! How you all doing? You good, yeah? Yeah, not bad, not bad. What's happening?
We've just arrived.
Oh, good on you. No, man. They're looking good as well.
Thank you.
Oh, countdown. It's one of those, with a countdown, you can't even blink, can you? It goes 10 seconds and it's... Look at that. Beautiful, mate. Where are you all from?
Stoke-on-Trent. We're from Stoke.
The Stokey girls are going to be giving it. Big love it.
Day's your birthday on.
Your birthday?
Yeah, not till Tuesday though, not till Tuesday.
As a happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Christina.
Christina. So happy birthday, Christina.
Thank
Look at that.
you.
Gorgeous, babe. And I'll see you there in a minute, all right?
These gents have been waiting for you. They're
Yes,
having a meal in
bro.
the Stagman
Sorry,
Grill.
go, mate. Look at that, mate. My boys. Where are you from?
Tipton, bro.
Where you from?
England.
Whereabouts?
Tipton, West Midland.
Liking
Yeah,
it, mate.
man. Yes,
I could
my
sense
G.
some Londonish stuff going on there. That's what it was, mate.
You're all there, bro.
Originally London, so.
You're from London?
Yeah.
Where about in London?
Tottenham.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we won't talk about that, all right?
Yeah,
How you doing, brother? Yeah, man.
Tipton, you know.
Yeah, yeah, I know,
Yes,
mate.
yes,
I know,
mate.
I know. It's got like a little bit of Birmingham in there as well.
My
It's
G,
a bit
yes,
like-
in there, bro.
Yes,
yeah.
mate.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yes,
So
my G.
Are you having a good time, yeah?
Yeah, man. Look,
Awesome.
my
What's your
brother.
name?
Himo.
Timo.
Himo. H-I-M-O.
Himo.
Yes.
Awesome, brother.
Yeah, man. Love,
Himo,
my
big love, bro. Big love,
Big
mate.
man thing,
yeah.
yeah.
And I'll see you in a minute,
Yeah.
brother. Yeah, come in,
Love,
mate.
man.
Look at that. Look at the love. Can you feel the love tonight? Look at that. Look at the ladies getting in there. Go on, mate. Boss, boss, boss. Look at that, mate. Good, brother. You right? What's happening? Not bad, bro. Not bad, mate. And you good? Look at that, mate. This is what I love, right? Happy, happy faces. Look at that, mate. You know that, mate. Awesome, brother. Good to see you guys. How you doing, sweetheart? How are you? Oh,
Jude.
You okay? Is that your name on TikTok?
No, I'm TikTok on Facebook.
Oh, on Facebook, Jude.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely to see you, Jude. Lovely to see you. And you, darling. How are you? You all
Do you
right?
follow Sharon?
You follow me as well?
Yeah, on TikTok.
Oh, wicked. Oh, brilliant, mate. Well, nice to have the support and all. And by the way, two of you are beautiful. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Going over. Been picked up at
Oh, you're going home today? Ooh, ouch. Not sure I like the sound of that. And safe journey back. Look at that. They lovely, aren't they?